This week US30 Technical Analysis. So yes, what we analyzed last week actually started exactly came to the zone, started to buy setup. So I can clear this one. I can clear this one. Everything okay? Yeah, it started the bull run slowly, but it will give small correction again, little bit correction. Sorry, okay. Maybe it will give any correction, 3-wave correction. It will go up. 55k is the next target we're expecting. Okay, this is our analysis. It will give any small correction. Suppose if you take Fibonacci also here exactly came to the zone. The zone, see, exactly 618, and maybe it will give a little bit down also, but it will go up. Maybe it will can fill this gap. You can fill this gap. See here, this gap. This gap. It will fill this gap and it will go up. Okay. Any buy setup is better. US30. Okay. Thank you.